Hey there, future financial moguls. Welcome back to WealthWise TV, the go-to spot for demystifying the world of finance. Today we're diving into the exciting realm of investments. Whether you're a novice or looking to fine-tune your strategy, you're in the right place. Buckle up because today's video is all about investing like a pro, the 5 key strategies of investment for beginners. Before we jump into the strategies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our financial wisdom. Now, let's get down to business. Number 1, diversification. Our first strategy is a golden rule in the world of investing: diversification. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps mitigate risk and ensures your portfolio isn't overly dependent on the fate of a single investment. Next up, let's talk about index funds. Start with low-cost index funds. These low-cost investment vehicles track the performance of a specific market index, offering broad market exposure without the hassle of picking individual stocks. Perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach to investing. Now, strategy number 3, dollar cost averaging. This is a smart way to navigate market volatility. Instead of trying to time the market, consistently invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. It smoothens out the highs and lows, ultimately lowering your average cost per share. Our fourth strategy is all about knowledge. The more you know, the better your decisions. Take the time to educate yourself about different investment options, market trends, and financial instruments. It's an investment in yourself that pays off in the long run. Last but certainly not least, before you dive headfirst into investments, make sure you've got your financial safety net in place. An emergency fund ensures you have cash on hand for unexpected expenses, preventing you from dipping into your investments prematurely. And there you have it, the 5 key strategies to kickstart your journey into the world of investing. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a robust investment portfolio. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow aspiring investors. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Subscribe for more financial insights, and as always, stay financially fabulous. Until next time, signing off. Happy investing.